Yvonne Nelson. Enna, Kwansema Arthur. I'm Fantini. Wow. And then they will be able to how assorted radio studio. Assorted. Mama started from Kwansema. Kwansema Pachonet is saying,
Boko, I say.
Pachomesume Huye.
How I feel.
Oh, me that's also sad. My studio high fine.
Yeah, that's it.
Let me shamu. Some ye 2 years after mobile. Kwansema Arthur. Kwansema ye. Kasa Kwansema ye wine.
Kwansema ye. Besiaba. Bia nenywa jisini chaho. And I've gone through many paths to get here. Enjoy. Madam who was your put down who was school.
It's like
More great.
okay, I have to go down.
UCC. So I'm an ambitious young lady who wants to do this, gone through many corners to be here. And see, that's basically Kwansema.
So do you feel say Drew?
Oh, dabi. Yeah.
I mean,
I shall say.
no, me say only say I've settled.
But funded them. Yashas, we've started at the right place.
Sana na me bisa.
Enjoy.
It means say you are comfortable where you are now.
Yes, very.
And to one person obeko baby from here.
Obejima kamunko baby alebiomu.
Kabetina ya.
Kametina dia.
Enjoy. And obejo because say do you fine here.
All right, come on.
Yvonne Nelson.
Them me a fantinya.
Me papa.
Okay.
But I won't come fancy.
Oh, make a fancy.
But then can obi akaba ko so.
It's make a tree.
Minti emu na ye me dene kakra.
It's make a tree.
Okay,
make a tree.
Yvonne Nelson.
Yes.
Yvonne Nelson they make us say obi ani Yvonne. Obi opesini bia ni Yvonne Nelson. Ye ni Yvonne Nelson from Princess Tyra. Ye ni Yvonne Nelson ewo Onija Kiapia ne na Diabwari. Movies in the Dawson. Into me bonny na Dawson. Because you be never na mo JHS. She say mo university. Hey. And you are still in the movie industry.
Yeah.
How has it been so far?
It's been lovely. Me the journey no. Still I also. Me who say you do baby. Me per se I want to continuously put Ghana on the map. You know. I'm still on the way. I'm still finding my path.
Oh yeah, na we ni ye so.
Me ye ni ye pa.
We inspire Crawford.
I me inspire.
Because and I'm also Crawford bebre. Mo dem sabe bo man so JH boy. Mo dem sabe bo man so. And I'm also man Crawford. Episode mo yi movie. Ebi mo egu so try. Ebi mo so no. They've gotten to where they wanted to be. That is to be with you. Starting yes. Is that your producer?
Yes.
What I say?
And a director, me director Kotoka, bankophone. And I'm not even making noise about it because that's not the point. I just want to promote the movie.
So what I say? And I come so you can no see I
come
and from when you want to Kotoka myself. Which movie as na usa?
Kakra.
Yes. I mean sure say back then no na bia who date but now my share the name say who date.
Me starting movies no. Me mommy Ankasa, she's never really been interested in my relationships or dating life. Won't say African parents. Yeah, you have to hide everything from them.
Who the best see because they be when you say who this but when you say we can't.
Yeah.
Because I am come my near mommy baby.
Yes.
And then you for phone come. Into movies no what I say show movie na. I'm sure say early stages of your acting career no she say omo role now play no. Maybe a kissing roles. Felicia, I'm going to feel biano no. Felicia will trim.
Because of my mommy and
because of my man, dear, will be back out. Say, hey, you feel biano TV so.
For me, I didn't really care because now my mommy on share me movie now till date.
I didn't yeah.
I just don't know. It's something that bothers me, but I haven't had that conversation with her. Until on share me movie that even movies I may produce or on me premiere that she's not interested in. The movies I make.
But only any personal issue be
No, my mom loves me dearly, but I don't know why she cannot watch it. When you watch TV so come show so best. Yeah, I'm say Hano.
Hano.
Yeah.
But to hear other people movie from
And no meaning, but not meaning say or share soaps, nene other shows on TV. But me dear, me mommy on share that. Makai say I even made an effort. One of the movies I produced, I was so proud of Sa project. And I say, menene tina say, and I me try say menene share, but she still didn't finish the movie.
Are you uncomfortable?
I just don't know.
But when you are the commercial movies,
I have 2 siblings. I don't think my brother is also interested, but my sister there once in a while about my premieres. Yeah. I don't think my family believed in me when I started. And Bibi sir, because my mommy make comments, we say, Debbie, I'm going movies and movies now. You know, when you're having comments like that from the people at home.
Oh, expect love from them, no more comments.
Yeah, because in society, no more entertainment. Into no, oh, you'll be out entertainment with fear. I say, unim nyansa, you're the unserious one.
Yes.
So I was like that in my house.
As I grow and so.
Yes.
And then you might have felt bad.
I'm a loner.
In the journey.
Yes, I'm a loner. Yeah. No, I just Mekai say minya ban no 2010 no ban me. A set of producers came together and banned me. Mekai say na me lock me home e wo me dem. Did I used to cry? I didn't used to cry, but I was so depressed. Say main chick curtain crying daylight. You know, I was always in the dark. Me mama cry for me, you know, me feel So yeah.
No,
I don't think they were interested. I don't think they were interested.
I've been there before. Me share comedy aseno. Me yes me stand up comedian before say me better na me be jakonya.
Right.
Yeah, auntie. Me yes me ko show a almost ho nya sere. And now be way.
Yep.
But me there me there is a sign because along the way no yeah me feel me there me into that thing say o ma join me na so ma me fans that thing say we also my fans enche
oh me there chairs been see I may I believe see I know they're proud of me. I know they're proud of me, but you know, you can't fake it because if you start giving me fake love, then I'll know say, oh, so what happened to back in the day when I started, you know, and you know, everybody is minding their business, kind of.
Into omo say ye na starting tia ye enjano because beginning ya man MBA sema man akwaba.
Yeah.
Into enjano nye de oye.
Something like that.
Into koja awards cry now they don't mind.
My family is not interested in Yamana Meyano.
But think I lawyer bid ya. I'm sure.
No nebia no nyam omuhunu say yeah. My mom is a preacher, you know, so I feel say in your account. Yeah.
And you were brought up in the church.
Not necessarily. My mom started so a criff after she had an accident. So na me needed that. You know, she got closer to God when she had an accident. Yeah. The whole family, criff. Me cry. I'm still criffle. Don't get me wrong. Like Miss Ronya, me bonfire. God is a huge part of my life, and I thank my mom for showing me way, you know, at that time. But I did not grow up I'm not a champion. But you know, things happen, and you get closer to God. Yeah.
Takes a day to learn a lesson.
Yep.
Yeah.
The story is nice, eh?
Yes. Very nice. Very nice. You better say twice. You better say about twice. So I hear ble.
Yes.
Odo. Let's say the radius. I want fake. You were not so fine girls and no crown of your I want more when you find a protest.
Oh.
I hear ble.
Yes.
Ujani started saying.
Oh,
your movie journey.
Let me a stage place with school.
Oh wow.
School being from secondary school, Tema school.
Okay.
Echo Unitech. And I'm a stage place. And when I was in school, no, I make bar auditions for Accra. Every weekend, I bar Accra for auditions, but I am family.
Okay.
Make I one time I audition ma Yvonne Nelson, Heels and Sneakers. Ewo baoleshi kwan no so no. Osi o opema asem opeso opefa me bat. Me wo kuma sini nti no. Ekwan no wa. Nti onye sure. Nti ebuma kuma pa. Nti from that day onwards I decided not to pursue acting anymore.
I
I mean, what's the point? And somewhere last year, na me ofie, and Madam Fulika so I should send her a DM to tell her say I've auditioned for her before, so just in case say or your auditions be bioma, she could. I wasn't really expecting a reply from her, but I sent it anyways, and I was just then I recently question my Instagram messages and God, I was just jumping. And she gave me a number to call, say, oh, meeting be so my friend number and a member, and that was it. We ended up in Kotoka.
It's your first movie, ni?
My first movie, ni.
Oh, this is nice.
Yes.
Would the men no reply no say bra?
Yes.
Hey, you know, cry over cry, what I'm saying.
Oh, me nkwana me TNT. Me ana.
But I dey from mama, say mama.
Oh,
me too better.
Me ya dia. Me share and can't share confront to me. So I don't come and explain to you why it didn't go well or it went sideways or something. Me area. And I'm a catcher.
I'm all saying you good at.
Me catcher. And you good at shame me home.
Oh, this is nice. Fafali. Fafa. Kwansema. And I have Fafali.
Me did or the pound.
So, Kwansema actor.
Yes, dear.
Annie. O first movie ni.
When I am my debut, but I say I am my third and me in the last day. But when I am first, I'm me.
They can do who ye.
Me who ye.
They cannot play roles, but they Yvonne else movie.
There be
A different movie. Who play roles, ben?
Yeah, bia me now Kwansema me can because I'm by no. But
At the more the cocots and science.
95.1.
that be I'm fan cocots and science so. But I think the first one, na me a supporting character.
Okay.
And about no me extra.
Okay.
And
So onya role in the movie. Say we want kesi obia.
oh me nyanki si obi.
Ba onya be kesi.
Say ke adwuma no ho.
Me ka say dey say me say me kwhwem yo me ka say me first role dey mama feel obia no. Me dey
What influence me? I didn't know make a tree.
okay tree.
Me nyan feel biana no.
But unya
Oba me.
hey Fafali me no. Fafali the agenda now.
Oba be.
About be ye.
Pa.
And 5 pounds or so. As I need you imagine me be a mouth.
Oh, that. Oh, there. Or you are acting.
95.1.
But it has to look real. But you make an attack.
Real kind of on my kind of Yvonne Nelson. Yes, I say we movies no. Look at say I mean say me nim do can share but me say camera beat. And I'm with the chimbo na mo film na mo fia no pampa me wa.
Hey. I hear no Fili Gadochi.
Sir,
Yes.
Felicia saying that take us through.
But some people fall in love and even get married. You know, it's real.
No.
Oh yeah, it's real. It's real. Everything you ever saw.
With the touching.
Yeah.
Hey my God.
Yeah.
Please cast me your next movie. Let somebody touch me some.
But that era, no, it was a sad time. No, yeah. It was a lot of stuff like that, but yeah, no stories not
I think say time beyond movie say Babylon.
Yes.
Back then, Nadia, I think you enjoyed most of the feelings.
Not really. She say be a naturally no be a opening pakono and no day.
But naturally now be a.
Oh, say a juma, so you don't go to work thinking you like somebody and you're going to kiss them. No.
Oh, say bo hono my juma dear. Juma if I say ya customer name Majid juma ne ye but up to make of na no be na no fe no ukopia ne jejina wani so it is the next movie no ye pair on Yvonne else na ka say boy we cheat on
but Majid is a married man
back then no
he's always been married
but e wo mu sad there but ye can movie asem enye ne married side no na ye
I don't think say any of my colleagues or more drinks are Juma and I hu as in nuanom. Yeah.
Nti mo share dan dwen ko ho.
Me sure say outsiders na your mobile in no. Omo na bia they will fall for somebody but mo no once that time na it was just a few of us.
Yes. Don't do me like
sistering and brethren, you know, so we don't have feelings like that for each other.
Na movie keke.
Na movie keke. Yeah.
No feelings attached.
No.
Your pawn. China embra fe anu bi mu china.
Yes. Yeah.
You hear movie na no fe ne pepa ho no. See, Yvonne not never you go be a oh my goodness.
Oh, do one anyo papa trawana hata we.
Yes, unya be. Well, you made our childhood nice.
Thank you.
So the music answer why
I know.
I know. So that's how I'm supposed to say it because
You see?
I grew up watching you.
Thank
You.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Yeah, sure.
Fafali, they still to me.
Oh, say it. Say it.
Say my feel be another.
I will move mu. Anna, move mu. Wine.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. I forgot. Oh, yeah, it's a new one. We have a new one coming out. Yeah.
Okay, Frobiano.
And she was so uncomfortable, I remember. Oh, gosh. Said because we were all standing there watching. Maybe that's why.
So you're supposed to be there in the room with us.
Everyone.
You can't set the camera and go and stand outside.
How?
Oh.
Yeah, everyone is there.
And they'll be uncomfortable.
Oh, you know it already.
It's true.
I think with time, no, where you get used to it.
Of a child, where you used to fail. Fafali, and of course, with time, no. So you plan on fame more.
About me, Ekejuma no.
Oh, the old one. They see yes. You mean it, Fafali. Male personality, Ben, I say, a castonian. When you're uncomfortable to kiss the person.
Uncomfortable. Okay.
You won't be uncomfortable. So we there, we pay our brother, we there, we friend, no. Sorry. Oh no. Make a media. Obi abeka ne there.
Oh, say it. Go for it.
I cheat.
Oh,
a nice person, Michiano, and he was really lovely.
Oh, you see,
hey, my dear, who am I?
watching?
Listen,
Yeah.
you've kissed all of them. Almost.
Me.
Tiwana na onye. We are so comfortable. I pay on now so ready. I bet I can't wait to do it again.
Oh, my bonnie dear Ghana for will start talking plenty, so it's okay.
Mahuno.
I'm sure you know, but
Yeah.
it's you.
But say you didn't come okay. And of Canada, they've said it already.
Ghana for yeah, more family see higher.
Kwansema.
Hello.
Why na male personality ben your castle
Sena,
kiss Onua ye movie the na fiano na.
I'm a Misha Cherry.
Okay.
And I've met Majid, Miss Mokane. We had a long conversation about 3 hours, 4 hours.
Into what develop a love man and I said they will switch them mobile.
On your love, but he's a very nice person.
Yeah.
And I feel when it gets there, Obo protects him.
That's it.
He won't overdo stuff. He's a gentleman.
Exactly.
So he's your Chuck Norris.
Majid is winning.
He's a very nice person.
Very, very
Miss
lovely
Monyo.
person.
Oh, we had a very long convo. Miss Monyo Bekasa, he advised a lot.
Yeah.
And when I was growing, they were always doing it.
FM 95.1.
So you've been influenced. Or my influence so.
It's doable.
It was nice.
Hey. Kwansema.
Enjoy.
Hey Majid.
Majid is
Say the
winning.
music 7 day. I say it's booking appointment. I'm going advice. I say I'm advice. What's that say? She say, let's talk about Kotoka. The movie. Yvonne Nelson.
Kotoka.
Yeah.
Okay. Kotoka. The title near heavy pa.
Yes.
Kotoka a movie it's about two ladies. Ruby Benson and Naya Esel. Ruby Benson, no, she's well-to-do. She's, wealthy. And Naya Esel is like a direct opposite. She's unemployed, she's finding her way. But the two of them made the same choice. Well, and the choice, no, it's going to really affect her destiny, one way or the other, and the people they love. The rest, I want people to come on the 14th. To come
Vows Day.
To come and watch it themselves. Else, I'll just give the story away. It's a beautiful piece.
Sure.
I loved shooting it. There's so many new faces. Darling, Frankie, he's a principal of a school. Chris Carter, Solomon Owu, there's Sena here, my lovely queen here, Kweku Elliott, Majid Michelle, Andy Dusty is in there.
Andy Dusty.
Yeah.
Ona sofo no.
There be Frankie na sofo no.
Me hunam ka Andy Dusty.
Aye, no, yeah, doctor.
Okay. Say the nani tina ye Sakura no. Because say Andy Dusty
5.1.
It's a beautiful story, shot really well. And that meaning say sisi no mo hu ye movies no intino. Yeah, the movie ne ba mo mbra no mo mbehye. Yeah.
Because we're a different level.
Yeah.
Video no quality no cry na was slow. And I know Yvonne Nelson e ka say dressing na ono sha say pay movies when nye. I have seen a clip of the movie. I just say I would want to go and watch the full movie because me hu baby na some Oko airport.
Yes.
Omo file bag no omo inspected no mo cocaine.
Hey.
And our case cocaine is supposed to turn blue when tested. I forged it. Wow. Me I know 14 for me ginem. Fafali.
Yes.
What was your role in the movie?
Na me nani.
Oh wow.
Emma Ruby Benson.
Sikeni no.
Na me pena sempa but that's a nyama BCC.
Onua FM 95.1.
So edane.
Hey. Pressure.
Sa pepe. And so some of her movie na monti ase me kan yi na o ma.
There be kan na can be a baby a make us had them person behwe. My baby kitten.
Oh, when ya nani da.
There be my movie who be da.
What
Me so nani.
Yes, once I say obi a owo domo obi.
Yeah.
Now I find out say why ni bibi. Na say na come mo be ding be towards nipa no.
That's what fan ho adwene.
Ya me bi sa no. Nti wa oba obe hwa obeti ase.
It's who acting now, yeah, dear, and I say, but I will be.
I'm not bragging, but me say my talent is good. It's more mobile, more bad testing.
Wow.
Yes.
What's the way you be a succeed and son about my man to find a lock at your mamma and I saw what and I can't say.
And they are very, very happy and proud of me for following my dreams. Most of my friends are also really happy that I never gave up because it's been a long journey. So I'm really proud of myself too.
This is beautiful.
Yeah.
Kwansema.
Hello.
Moving on, then what was your role?
I'm rolling. Min come on, come kese.
And come kese.
But I am the gateway to everything.
Ish.
Enjoy. Oh, she'll attest to the fact.
Ish.
Sancho Nyamia. I can see
Michael Scottfield. Sir,
I saved the day. Until you ever find a man.
Into your who moving the man, did you do well?
Uncertain. Menya, you're not doing it well. Do this, do that. Inti muhunde, meyaze. But your sata, and you can't anye bebre, and you can't put be in you. So muhunde, it was a smooth direction. Muhunde, then you ask with mommy, you know. Enjoy.
Working with Yvonne Nelson at the same amount. Is she a good person?
Is she a good person? Or
and yes, person. I say a good producer, good director. Also, bo or befa there, but on a favorite. I say, or piano a mistake. No, you was baby. And that's what trainer what Shrell. She doesn't do that.
No.
What is saying?
No. When I got there, it was a time-bound production. Intini epe bibi and tentem. So when I got there, why is she not dressed? So when on there, or in this sky yard, she won't tolerate you if you waste their time.
No.
So God being so good, I knew my lines, I rehearsed, I knew what I was supposed to do. Until before I ever she directed me as to what I'm supposed to do. Until and she was very pleased. Very, very, very pleased. I would say working with her has been educative, but I'm academic. Me, the take home from this project for me, or yeah, also mobopa, because I started auditioning for movies in 2018. I remember I auditioned for her at Foresight. That day. So when I went home, I decided not to audition again. But I'm lying, no. I came to audition for GMB, and I did other auditions. So me meeting her was destined, Mecca and them. I was walking on the street and a man met me, asked for directions to the mall. He was like, "You are very beautiful. You look good on TV. Have you tried?" I'm so I've tried now. My bread,
moral lesson. When somebody stops you by the roadside, stop.
I was going to buy food stuff for Banku and Oko. So he asked me for direction to the mall. There's an underground tunnel. It's my man direction. I was like, oh, well, you are very respectful. You are beautiful. You look good on TV. Have you tried them too? Because I've never had a call back. Then he was like, okay, I know someone who is very close to YN. He's justice. Call and let's see. So I didn't even want me pay them because I'm free. Until I think a day now I'm afraid. He was like, there is a casting at just like Mama, so come. When I was a few minutes late, when I went, Jimmy fell though. Oh. Yeah, the Ghana was beautiful. Yeah, will come, sit down, and that was it. Yeah. Oh. So meeting her is like no dosey. Because the first meeting was horrific. But the second
What happened at Foresight?
Oh. We'll talk about that one later. But I'm happy he ended this way. And I'm very, very grateful to Mr. Ajiman. He met me on the street and gave me just his number.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, what a nice story.
I know.
Yeah, story near there.
I know.
Fafali, how has it been working with Yvonne Nelson?
Yvonne is a lovely person. You see, very, very sweet. When it comes to her work, she doesn't play at all. When say hawk or a calm man or you're normal, but you buffa. Yvonne doesn't play with her work at all. And if you're working with Yvonne, or Kwansema, and it's not like or can't to make you then doubt yourself or anything. She just wants you to put out your best. Into like onini yejumana okabibia. I mean, or the Nisika Nation baby when she knows how she wants her things to turn out. In so see a BBC and I
95.1.
And she's a lovely person. Really, she has a really, really, really sweet personality. Like I said, oh baby personality, be with the boo.
Oh, this is
but
beautiful.
But when it comes to her work there, she doesn't play.
She knows what she wants.
Yeah, she knows what she wants, so she gets it done.
Yvonne Nelson.
Hi.
What they are saying, they are sempa and I say mama fans keke.
Oh, they're all being very honest. Very, very honest. Because the Yvonne you guys know is this. But when I'm working, I'm a different person. Because me say, a lot of my colleagues know they decided not to produce because of this thing I can't say. They cannot handle it. So you need to wear your but you have to be crazy doing what I do. You know, it's for mad people, crazy people. So I understand that a lot of people are not doing it because it is not such a friendly place. So yeah.
And I say when you're the open, so a waste of time.
Yeah. And you see, we keep calling investors so mumbra in wrong, but I know say invest it because yen terrain, yen how crazy the job is. Say obi a own nim the way I said so te onim ejuma no obemwa nipakono obe frustrated obeko heading.
This is what I say now passion for the job.
Yes.
Unless I will invest in the obinya international and found be brave.
Yes.
With the risk involved in the idea. 10 years back, we imagine also be to say be producer school.
I would say yes. I'm saying yes because YN Productions is 12 years. I would say this, and maybe you guys can learn from this thing I'm saying. Maybe by industry, I knew where I was going. I could see it. I'm telling you, like as I'm sitting here today, I know where I'm going. So I don't allow people to distract me. You know how negative vibes, bloggers, like I know where I'm going. That's why you do not see me all over the place, because I don't want to be in the wrong place, destiny. I'm very mindful of the moves I make, what I do, what I spend my money on, my investments. So I'm sorry, I've always known. It's not like I'm being conceited or anything. Like I know and I have a plan. And I believe God is also a part of it because when I'm embarking on anything, I pray about it. I'll go down on my knees and I'll pray about it. So that's a secret.
Prayer is the key.
Yeah. So know where you're going. I know it's It doesn't make sense, but it will make sense. Yeah,
It does.
yeah, just know where you're going so that you don't allow certain people into your space. You know what you're doing. Just be in control of your life. Yeah, don't let the wind and people blow you. And then on my friend say, no. Know where you're going. Kofobeka say, oh, you're rude, you're arrogant, but it's just because you know where you're going.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Fafali.
Yes.
What's here? Know where you are
Actually,
going. Where are you
yes.
going from here?
Very far.
But at this stage or point, don't tell anyone.
Yeah.
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 I didn't
And
tell
yeah, dear,
true.
okacho in Crawford.
Onua FM.
You know it.
95.1.
Like now, I said I know where I'm going, but I haven't said where I'm going.
Yeah.
But know it. Yeah, and yes, Charlie, industry, friends, people, they will derail you from your path.
Yeah.
And I'm for be
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Mama what you cry do.
Yeah.
Want me inquire anymore
Yeah.
because
Avoid industry friends.
Yeah.
That's all I can say. Avoid industry friends. Not someone doing the same thing as you cannot be your friend. Yeah.
this is something I've always said. And Kwahojen said, and it's not true. But I know
Yes.
I know to know enlighten us a little more.
Okay. From past experience, me
Yes.
wanna say when you'll be the same thing, maybe you're not thinking anything negative, you're not envious. Because me, I've always been me a tomboyish kakao, so I don't do all all what the girls do, and I
Onua
kind of
FM.
say
95.1.
anyways, let me just go straight to the point. But me, my friend, I'm very real. I do all the real stuff with them. But omono na me wanna say every time they are calculating and
There's an agenda.
yes,
Yeah.
me can be more that I got this endorsement deal. Oh, this producer called me and I've told them to call you, so they're going to call you for like me corset so me pese me name me colleagues a be more corset ne so. But I never got that from them. They never recommend me to any producer. But I was the one always recommending my friends, So in the long run, sometimes you sit down and you go like, but I've told them A, B, C, D, all these things about me, and they never tell me anything about themselves. So what are we doing? So I had to learn it the hard way. And, eventually, who said, no, it's better off. I'm better off, alone doing my own thing.
Onua
If I want to make
95.1.
friends, maybe I'll take doctor friends or
Lawyer friends.
lawyer friends or I have what I say. But Obi or the same thing as me, dear. Yeah, now rivalry, no ne,
And the cell no will be more chibi home.
Yes.
Oh, in the town for
Yes.
Yeah. Comparison.
Yes.
No, ne, yeah.
Ope papa sen o.
what I say, that's the beer where Madame for me when you were him.
Yeah.
Kwansema, why do you
Yes,
was
ma'am.
Anna?
Me too. I'm a very good listener.
Yeah, it's good.
Me too.
Oh, experience be and that's why you didn't share now. We both through Kusan. Then also
Oh.
you've had us an experience.
Into BBIAKA. The production was called off. Not called off, sort of. It was dissolved for a while. But when there was a callback, people who said,
Onua FM.
"Oh, I won't go."
95.1.
I saw them there and I was like, what are you doing here? And I've never bothered to ask any of them. Well, I didn't go, but they went. And
That's what my betrayal.
it's not betrayal. Even before or after or beside that conversation we had, I mean, my family agenda. You see,
No show more the dampo.
my family agenda say,
Maybe an uncle.
then you come support me, and then you see, me, I've had a lot of broken hearts, not relationship broken hearts on
What
Poncho,
you say?
but with
Yeah, broken
friends, with
Yeah.
so me, I don't have friends. Obi Onyimbi Kwansema, I don't have friends. Me penya Uncle Sem. So,
Your experience beside that. Fafali, what's your now for?
Pa.
I think
Onua FM. 95.1.
2 years for back.
Ofo obi say oyewa down for our home. No matter how close you are, no matter the experiences you've been through with the person, men can't say men no.
Yeah.
Because God forbid muntem tetia. Sani pa na ene kwako say wa chenkrofo. Even things about you that are not true, no. The person will make it up just to make a case for themselves.
yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
It's true, pal. It's true.
Already.
It's okay. When you say a mistake, so I move bebre and say you could share obia. Yes, this is my best friend. Now, dear, why in the past? No, the person wasn't there. You will brief the person. And I'm going see, and I'm going. The person wasn't there. Why bother tell the person? But now I buy a property crown. No, they're Shannon tomorrow.
Exactly.
Or no, I'm not saying money town. Only Nia Saka Crebo so was Sanim.
Yeah.
Or the Guabonti.
Now, Felicia, or can was some or any kakemo. The worst thing someone could do to you, because you are not BBS. Some friends could go to that extent.
Yes, they will go.
Yeah, it happened to my brother. A friend called, he went out, he never came back.
Oh.
He told me personally, but me, Mama cannot say. So
The friend called your brother to come outside.
Stay in your lane. Let me be in my lane.
Yeah.
That is it.
Internet said,
I come before him. Yes.
Did you call the friend again?
I say me your mom. We've tried calling. Yeah,
That Benesi.
Oh, it's been 2 years.
Still, no information.
November 20th. Yeah. I think that was the last time I saw my brother.
Into Wayera and I said,
Oh no! 3 days later, someone came home. My brother is called Royal. So we've seen Royal's body somewhere. And I went to confirm if it was truly my brother because I was the closest to him. So when I went, it was him. I called my parents.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
What story are you telling me?
It sounds
Even
like
friends are wicked. Friends are wicked.
and that friend,
He wasn't arrested?
he didn't even come home to say, "Oh ma," but no.
that was
it. That was we've never seen him. We've never seen him
again.
Never ever.
No cause of death, nothing.
There was a cause of death, but you know the autopsy thing. But that is it. We've not seen.
You see, friends.
Experience is the best teacher, but
Yes.
it teaches only the fool because as
When
a
in Brown
man
also
to
know.
stay. But Shama, will be teach you.
FM,
No.
95.1.
Or there should be the one idea.
No,
of
they're
the-
too full.
Yeah.
They be a cousin now for whom, but still I make you friends. You want to say, yeah, na bibi cause one.
You won't get nipa wa refi, nyakupon ba refi ma nipa. There, Uncle Bob wine, but some of us are misusing that refi, you know. Because we buy a day, you won't keep it. Then you go and fall in the same trap. So that is it.
Yeah, sorry about this story. This is so sad.
Yeah.
What's the story? When I become a producer, it'll be my first movie.
Oh.
Yeah.
You will become a producer.
Yeah.
Amen.
Amen. Rest in peace to Royal.
Amen.
Oh. 1 minute silence for Royal. Like, what the story in the bar?
Yeah.
So sad.
Yeah.
Oh, of course we're talking
Yeah.
about friends.
I know.
Yeah.
Say I send me the coffee, I send biba.
Yeah.
And I will no be better, but obe when so me the badam free on yemesa. Ye boko su ata free.
Hey.
Don't.
Go so your boy and free.
Yeah.
It be no boko su ata free be oye bon sam.
Yeah.
But you know, the thing about life too is you can't do without people. What
No.
I say. Charlie.
You can't do without people, but
You know,
when you brown also not people na kasana. They'll drag you down
So
with
be
them.
very selective.
Yeah.
Like she
Over there
said.
is selective if you don't know the person you are working with.
Okay, can I say something? I
Yes.
feel like women are, we do better with male friends.
I
You know,
agree.
those who know. I wouldn't say I don't have friends. I have a childhood friend. I'm doing a project and, you know, I talk about her in the project. She's called Karen. I am actually here because of Karen Okata Boateng. She's the one that convinced me to do Miss Ghana. She's the one I was with when Abdul Salam saw me at
95.1.
So yeah, I believe say enye nimpa nia, but they are very rare.
Yeah.
You know, but yeah, we do better having male friends. That's how I see it.
Yeah, man.
Yes. Because I have a lot of male friends. Not a lot, but almost all my friends are male. And I've known these people, you know, for more than like 10 years, 15 years. Yeah, I do better with guys.
We do better with guys, but so say you man we be adwin ya dwembone. Into okofo bi boys na down for no.
Like me, Madame Fobago, he got married recently, and I was telling him that now that you're married, your wife will not allow you to hang out with us. And he's like, oh, no, Yvonne. But nothing has changed, though.
He's still the same.
The wife ne be, you know.
I thought that any bio besties for they be taking things too far.
So, like how?
To say me boy a cover bestie, meaning send a down for no. Also who boundaries.
Yeah.
Why not bestie?
Bestie, no.
But say not bestie no once a wife.
Into over 2. Oh, your bestie over 2 a.m.
Oh, if you need help, you can.
12. Have you been kidnapped? Help.
Yeah. So what if you've been kidnapped?
Nobody will kidnap you. Go and sleep. 12 days, nobody will kidnap you. Go and sleep in the morning. 8:30 you cover.
I agree.
So what
I agree.
We should know our boundaries.
I agree.
The fact that your best friend in Chester, you should also go inside his relationship.
Take advantage of that.
I don't probably 2 a.m. that.
Yeah. Okay.
Probably 2 a.m.
Oh, me there, my homies there. Say me mendao. Minda. I mean, Francis here knows. 3 a.m. That's when I get creative. Minda, me, I don't sleep. I have issues with sleep.
Insomnia.
I don't enjoy sleeping. Yeah. I don't. I guess
if you want to make money, you don't sleep.
Not really. I wish I could sleep, but sleep never made that. Oh, but yeah. Oh yeah, until you arena about me fear. Me chill. Like, climate is test. Nah, it's all no. It's like I'm waiting for you. I'm not asleep. Yeah.
Do you want that cry? When you do that chain.
I don't.
Now
All my friends know. I don't sleep.
Movie industry so far, how has it been? How? Saying
it's been a disaster. It's the
saying.
Yeah, so we all know that we need help, and the help has to start with interviews like I feel like I'm tired of even talking about it because we always give like solutions, but I feel like we don't put in the actions. And I will say this: nobody is coming to save the Ghana movie industry. I will say it and say it. We ourselves have to start investing. So you can start here and produce and direct here and keep the industry going and vibrant and yet attractive for any outsider to also join in. The other part is infrastructure, no, and no the say hotels and any actors so the same thing as like cinemas and and they will need some extra support from Silverbird was not built by any industry player in Ghana. It's being owned by a Nigerian.
Silverbird?
Yes. It's being owned by Ben Bruce. He's Nigerian. Si Ghana for to say Ben Bruce, no more invest in 95.1 Ghana and no dear Kebebwa.
Maybe almost show some mobile investing.
And say Ben Bruce owns no invest here.
Maybe I'm only brave say Ben Bruce.
And I say Ghana for you to me a boat. Now you see to me.
Because when you chrome, on time outside and bambe ya Japadi.
Yes. Once they complaining say government and in penny for no, they don't care about industry. In the sense they meet investors, they come across all these people who want to come and invest in Ghana, and they can put in a word for the industry as well, but they don't. I feel like we've been blacklisted or sidelined, and nobody looks our way,
So, I will say because Mamba, you've come far.
We have. And
I won't break it down.
No.
My constant science. I think by now, cause almost one will say, oh, so they were not sending call for more effort to go.
Yeah.
Sorry, I am wow.
Yes. Like someone like me, I've been consistent from the first day I started producing.
Yes.
Even during my pregnancy, I was still shooting. I was shooting heels and sneakers, I never stopped.
Because say the musi we've seen it. And I modern mabo from the start. I be drew same way. What do you call Netflix? The movies are on Netflix. Until then, I'm person moya sana on mabo amo.
I know. Yeah, catch who John Developer catch is on producer. Or the person a politician.
Or say a farmer.
Okay,
nice.
He can still direct or produce.
Ebi na come free mo.
Oh, he's still acting.
Yeah.
John is still acting. He's still acting.
But say no, na joining the passion will be from the first now we see a movie as na obeshe Prince Cape no. So he was serious back then, right?
Oh, man, the prince and a king. Obeyama. It's still there. It's still there.
It's Adwuma Kotoka.
Yes,
You
Valentine's Day.
Tickets.
Tickets, I want cramo. Yeah, ton tickets this year. I think of 4 per tickets. Go me to me akoto.
Tickets, you're saying
80 cities only.
Pe?
Only.
Oh,
Only. Yeah.
Bako.
Aye,
And a
niko
couple,
bako.
you're saying. Manya couple.
We are not doing any couple things. They should just come and buy the tickets.
Mobile
Just
2
go.
sessions, and I say Bako pay.
Last year, Nyamia Dome, 14 showings.
Hey,
Yeah. You see, we don't make plenty noise, but we make plenty noise.
hey, 14 pounds.
14. We did 14 showings. Into year,
Wow.
Hope he said this year,
Onua
Bro
FM,
Sakra.
95.1.
Me, I would advise that if you're around Accra Mall, just pass through and get your tickets early. And as a chain, so on the day, you can come, like the first show is 7 p.m., so you can come like 6 and get your tickets to avoid
Oh,
the
entrance
queues.
on them.
Yes.
It's remember session saying.
Yeah, you're there 20. Amen.
It's my point time being.
Oh, last time, no. Me call Kramola, me feel to say 2 a.m.
But wait, the
Nene
best-
Since so 2010, 2011, 2012.
It's about to throughout.
Me internasio, me jina ho me trap pictures, me new be a trap picture 11111. What about me premiere da unim say Yvonne Nelson. The last premiere I wore slippers and t-shirts and because me who say I didn't know me ha me ho. Like because hey, so I went in my t-shirts and I make sure say me new
95.1.
yeah I be trap photos and so. Oh my god.
Yes, all one trans so wa kunya si hono.
Me jina ho.
Yeah, I know what sorry jina ho.
Yes. I have to. All of us, many casting in
By red carpet.
Yes, you're very red carpet.
So say a fire home, you baba dia.
Me dear, I really see. I don't give pressure to anyone. You know, you can wear your jeans, your t-shirts. Just come and enjoy the movie. Debbie.
Abe you be a boho.
Do you understand? No. Do you? Look nice. If you want to look nice, listen, you can equally look nice in your jeans and your t-shirt. But I just don't want to give anyone any pressure. Yeah.
Because yeah, what the best dressed guest be a number what
Me person obi abekwa ko boro atare for red carpet and Charlie, it's too much stress. Just come and enjoy the movie. You know, it's a beautiful movie. Yeah, what movie now say? Yeah, bread. Like movie, no efforts. Like easy. We went to Kotoka 5 a.m. to go and shoot this movie. Hey, it hasn't been easy.
Who cast now the movie now? Who say you made the right choice and I say who yank out the sound be.
Well, I don't regret casting anyone. No, dear, I don't. Because each project I learn a lot from them. They don't know. Because who they are or industry, me who say okay, more age group, this is how they are thinking. I learned so much from them. Into me, dear, I'm always going to give new faces the chance. Just say, I do promotions now. I wish I could get more help from them because I feel like people get tired always seeing my face and my G's face, doing the media tours. And as a producer, sometimes I wish I could fall back so that they can do it. But at the same time, marketing-wise, I fear that, okay, how is the movie going to do? For complaining, say you're casting new faces, but then it also has,
new faces in
problem. No.
Ghana for Omega say, we do charity. It's one for them.
Thank you.
It's true. New faces chance.
Yeah.
Also better into say you're familiar with their faces. No,
you have to advise them to put themselves in it so that people get to know them because it's not easy, you know. And I know Sisia times Nasisa. Some of them they look at us like, oh, I want to get to where Yvonne or Jackie Apia or Nadia Barry has gotten to, but they don't know the work we have put in. I do this every time I'm producing or I'm promoting a movie. Like, can you imagine?
Radio stations.
Yeah, I do every time, every single time. Yeah.
It's a lot of work.
So it's not easy. It hasn't been easy.
Fafali, are you ready for the journey yet?
Oh yeah, it's not been easy and it's not easy, but I'm
it's
really
not
ready
going to be easy
at all. But I'm really ready. to just put in the work.
Bibia. Comment from headline from bloggers in you are ready.
When you work with someone like Yvonne, you get to build that kind of tough skin to take you through the industry. It's in ready, I'm ready, and she's a mentor. So any obstacle, I can fall back on her. It's ready, am I ready?
Yvonne also Captain Smart to say hello. So power sem papa. Captain Smart.
Wow.
It's all come one sem
Francis. Thank you. No, I'm not. I love you too.
Captain Smart. Yvonne else is so she loves you too. Kwansema, are you ready for the journey?
I am.
Sure.
Papa, ma bodo. My ready. Mo baby ode you fry you bofu. Ode you koto you bokoto. Ode you function I ever function. I'm in school and I don't school in Accra. More UCC. On the weekend, we are to for home auditions. So I think that alone makes me ready.
Okay. Fafali. Final words.
We did wait.
Final words.
Concerning Kotoka, Pacho, if you've been watching Yvonne Nelson's productions, you know that she's been putting up quality stuff.
Yeah.
And this is another level. Until on the 14th, please make time and come and watch Kotoka. Valentine's Day for boyfriend and girlfriend pay.
Mama to make up a boyfriend and girlfriend.
Mo boyfriend and girlfriend crowd.
So what I say?
Into Mombra tickets near 80 CDs. I was cinema, Silver Bed Cinema. Mombra na Mombra Kotoka. Mombra na Mombra experience. Like Solomon will always say, Kotoka is a lifestyle. You need to experience it. So make sure you are available on the 14th to come and watch.
Thank you so much. Yvonne else in your final words.
Shout outs to Solomon. Oh,
Our one and only.
yeah. He's been he's doing well for the movie. Guys, if you're listening to me, come out in your numbers. Like she said, you don't have to be in a relationship. You can even surprise your friends and buy them a ticket. You know, for tickets,
95.1.
mommy, or cousins, just buy it for your workers. And I say, colleagues, the English.
Strangers.
You see, buy it for them. Ghana, yempe giving out gifts. It will be really nice to give out tickets to, surprise someone. So it's happening Valentine's Day, 14th of February, 7 p.m. Silver Bear Cinema, Sakramo. Tickets are on sale, so you can go to the mall and purchase your ticket.
You see, a lot of work has gone into this. From casting, rehearsals, script writing, directing, costuming, everything. A lot has gone. It has got. You see, men don't sit at home and compare industries. If say what you are doing, don't compare movies if you don't make an attempt to watch what has been done. We are talking too much, but say you know what you. You don't go out to watch the movies, but you'll be home complaining they don't do good movies, they don't do that.
No,
so
I don't go and watch.
Yes, so they've talked about the ticketing and everything. Mine is don't stay home and talk about something you've not experienced. Stop comparing. She's put a lot into this, like huge money. So come out and then come experience Kotoka. Like she said, it's a lifestyle, it's an attitude. Let's experience it together.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Mama, your show no so aye de pan. Ya mi hia mu nyina. Se ye to yen safra mu Yvonne Nelson Fafali e na Kwansema. Mo ba ye mi hia mu nyina. Etiefo se mute yen kan aha e Onua 95.1 FM. Money one of the finest radio girls. Felicia Osei. Francesca Don Rich say happy birthday. Or we show happy birthday pa nyame hia ma won kwatenten ma okoma so ade nyina embremu. Francisca fine girl. Francisca Boatin aka Odoyewu Frankie inside a crowd of Anko Barrier. Me of papa ya o Maryland me chia bebre. Efia Diamond. Enya me kwanam di show Ibrahim me ne GH boy. Sapoyo. Pakwesi. Robert. Don Rich. And I'm a producer and I'm Kwame Jan. Yemi Adwuma Adwuma e besi ehia. My wishing birthday. mesanye biem. Francesca, aka Francesca Boatin, aka Odoyewu Frankie. Don Rich say happy birthday. Yami adumo tena ebesi ehia biem. Ne senti no etiefo ne adofo ye be kra mo nyina. Bye bye.